getting over, got a month of cold because the kid the coldest. Ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid getting older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion.
So I am at Have Live, big as fuck. Like you can probably tell that I'm big. Yeah. And like this week, like I'm talking 7 and Sunday we're coming again, and like so many amazing things happened. Like so many amazing things. Hopefully ngezakala, especially in single and I'm by myself literally. But anyways, I'm so grateful to God, and I'm looking forward to seeing what next week has got. But I am so interested in knowing. And funny enough, Uguti, you can never tell Uguti and stuff, you know. And once of work, something happens and you're a millionaire, like instantly, you know. You just never know. And I feel like Lord Young excited anyway, because this first week has been amazing, like amazing. And that's in Philandia, literally. And these are just high thoughts. It's reality plus high thoughts. Because I'm baked, so bye. Good morning. It's a new day. And today we are deep cleaning my room. So I think it's past 7. And fun fact, this room wasn't supposed to be a room. It was supposed to be a chilling spot. And Ungalami came over just one time and then just decided to go tea. And then I told her nuts. And then I gave her my room and I chose this room. Okay, I transformed the living space, this chilling space, into a room. So, because it's surrounded by windows, umoya ungena kakhulu. And then ungena sometimes ungena nehlabathi. And can you imagine how dirty as in now are? And I clean them all the time, but still. But anyways, let's clean this room. Jeez, but it's fine. But first, music. Ngazisola, yo, like I'm exhausted as fuck, and it's been I think 2 hours manja, and I've literally only done half of on my wall, off the wall, and the windows and everything. And I think it's like inside my windows, they need to go outside and wash them food. Like however I'm hungry for manje, it's like 10. I think it's 10. And so I'll just go make a smoothie and go back because I'm so exhausted. Good morning. Today is a Tuesday and I am taking you guys to a what I eat in a day. So right now it's 8:42 and I am about to make a smoothie. So my goal for 2024 is to eat healthy. I don't know, but I'm trying to go on diets because I want to lose weight and I want to be confident in my body, and I just want to feel alive again, and I can't do that with this body. So I am trying to eat less. Okay, not eat less, but like eat, but eat healthy. I know you can still gain weight even though you eat healthy, so I'm trying as much as I can to eat ukudla with less calories. So yeah, let's go make a smoothie for breakfast, and then an hour later I'm gonna wake out because I didn't want to wake out with an empty stomach, so yeah, let's go make a smoothie and then I'll come back when I'm eating lunch. I already know what I'm having for lunch and for dinner. So yeah, let's go make a smoothie, y'all.
Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi sweet and keep me rolling, but if we get the op, we gotta slow. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in image, a picture, bro. They look bro, hit this stick and start getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. 30 feet, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in the years. I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner.
So currently it's 1 and I am starving. Honestly, I won't lie. I am starving as fuck. So currently it's 1 and let's go make lunch.